Hello guys, let's discuss this problem which says 3 coins were tossed 30 times. So there are 3 coins which are tossed simultaneously. Each time the number of heads which has been recorded in this way occurring was noted down as follows. You can see here, like when you toss 3 coins one time, then you are getting 0 number of heads. When you are tossing again then you are getting 1 head. When you are tossing them again, then you are getting 2 heads. So you toss those 3 coins 30 times simultaneously. So these are the 30 entries you are getting on tossing them. Now you need to prepare a frequency distribution table. What you need to find here? You need to construct a frequency distribution table, which means you need to construct ungrouped frequency distribution table for the data given above. How? Let's see. This is the number of heads because you need to present frequency distribution table where you need to take ungrouped data. So 0 number of heads, 1 number of heads, 2 number of heads and 3 number of heads. So how many times you are getting 0 number of heads? You are getting 6 number of times. You are getting how many times 1 number of heads? 10 times, 2, 9 times, 3, 5 times. So how many entries, how many times should be there? Because we have tossed those 3 coins simultaneously 30 times. So these value will sum up to 30. I hope you understood how to construct this table, because it has been mentioned that you need to construct frequency distribution table, which means you need to present the data in a ungrouped form, not in interval form. That's why I constructed the data in this form. You have to do the same thing as this which I have done here. I'll be taking more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.